I'm Dwayne Marino. In your understanding of the psychology of success or failure, you have to know that success and failure leave clues. You can just tell what's working based on the results that people are getting. There are barriers to success, and I've talked a lot about the 3 prerequisites to learn, comfort zones, your 3 growth strategies. There's many things we can learn psychologically to help us improve, breaking free of our comfort zones. But we have to be aware that there are some barriers. And there's probably more than 3, but the 3 major ones that most of us fall under. One is fear. Some of us just don't be everything we could be in life in any given area because we're scared. We're scared of success because somebody's going to raise the bar on us. So we go, I'm not going to even try because they're just going to push me harder. So why bother? I'll stop and hang out here. We're afraid of embarrassment, which is really the fear of not being liked or loved, or feeling you're not going to be enough in somehow. The fear of change, just the unknown. There's many fears. Just be aware of it and kill that monster while it's small through setting proper goals and being willing to break free from your comfort zones. The second obstacle is laziness. We just can't be bothered. We don't have the physical energy to do it because we don't take care of ourselves, or we don't have the mental stamina or energy to do it. Goals very much help with laziness. If you set bigger and better goals, if you don't have impotent goals, you're going to break free from laziness. It's also going to push you out of your fears. The third one, besides fears and laziness, is habits. We become creatures of habit. The comfort zone thing, the neural pathways that get laid down, we just can't seem to break our habits. Habits are broken if your goals are big enough. So you want to be aware of just the fact that we resist change habitually, we're a little lazy, or we're scared as being some holdbacks. And then you want to regularly set goals and look at what you're grateful for and maybe write down your gratitudes to give you kind of an emotional power base to keep yourself feeling good and feeling positive. So be aware of some barriers to success. We're human beings. We have good days and bad days. There's no doubt about it. Don't be too hard on yourselves. But we're talking about a pattern that will be developed over a series of weeks, months, and years. Not everybody has a great day. Not everybody has a great year. There's good and bad in there. And like a stock chart, it's not a straight line to the top. We're looking for sort of just improvements, and some months are way better than others, some months are worse than others, but the average is what we're after, either improvement or getting yourself to a level where you're very happy and you're able to sustain the lifestyle that you want, and then maintaining it. It's one thing to become successful, make money and sell cars. It's another thing to be able to hang on to it, not give it up, not sabotage yourself, or not have somebody take it away from you. I'm Dwayne Marino. We'll see you on the next chapter.